this is Donna Dario. I'm the owner of Bella Fitness in Glendale, and today we're going to give you two versions of a basic crunch. One is going to be for your healthy person who's never had any kind of injury, and the other one is going to be for somebody who's maybe had a previous shoulder injury. Okay, so Anne, I'm going to have you're laying on your back. You're going to go ahead and make your feet hip distance apart. So we're going to start off by showing the regular version. So I'm going to have her go ahead and put her hands behind her head. The hands are there basically to support the weight of the head. So you're going to spread your fingers wide and take a deep breath in. Exhale, lift just the shoulders and lower it back down, keeping the elbows pointed out to the side. Again, take a deep breath in and exhale, lift and lower. Okay, and take another deep breath in, exhale, lift, and then you want to look to sort of a mid-thigh area. It's going to keep her chin so that it's not tucking directly into her chest, but it's also not so far back that the weight of her head is going to put stress on her neck. Again, inhale down, exhale, lift back up. Again, inhale down and lift. Okay, and just keep doing these. And what you're going to notice is she's not really lifting that high. It's maybe just an inch or two off the ground. It's not something where you have to do a full sit-up. It's just a little bit, and she's going to be feeling a lot of the abdominal muscles here. Okay, and take a rest. Okay, the opposite version, which is going to take the shoulder out of the equation here, we're just going to have you and go ahead and relax your shoulders into the mat. Take your hands alongside of your body, palms are towards the ground. Take a nice deep breath and exhale, just curl up. Inhale, lower it back down, relaxing the neck in between. Again, inhale, exhale, lift, and inhale down. And one more time. Exhale, lift, and inhale down. Take a rest. For more great fitness videos from Bella Fitness, please visit us at bellafitnessla.com.